just to make sure these threads are in good shape. Let's just get them started from the top bottom. Oof. What kind of lube you want to use this time? A little squirt from underneath there. Alright, let's just see if this wants to go through. Perfect. I think this kickstand here is jamming me up. There we go. Oh no, it's all over me. Alrighty. I'll have to do the same to the other side. Maybe I won't film the other side. A little more. And I'll have to do the same to the other side. And I'll come back to the adjustment. Let's get these started. Okay, this music is awful. So long when you're not with me. Do everyone a favor and we'll do music free for this slight portion. Now you get your rainbow. And when I'm making these adjustments, I'm making sure that head of the bolt, we're working the flat side. You know what I'm saying? You don't want that bolt at an angle because it's ramming these. They should use square-headed bolts there. Whoop. You can see that one's way ahead of schedule. Alright. We have to adjust them out. And something's binding. I think it's in here. Let's just get these adjusted first. I need to make it longer. Turn it out a few turns, tighten that back up. Seems like the head of that bolt's a little flat. This one needed a couple turns. Let's see how much better that looks. Almost level. Ooh, that's looking good. I think that side just needs just a smidge. There we go. Let's get a wrench. 24. Important to keep the head of that bolt flat. I'll probably have to adjust these again. You see how we did. Sometimes tighten them up can make them do their own thing. Looking good. That's looking pretty good. Ooh, locked right on. Quick high runner. Oop. Let's go find out what's being sticky. Run it back. Drop it. Open it up. Did I see someone coming or is that a bird? I'm just going to undo these two 10mm bolts here, take this off, and I'm going to grease it really good so I can just feel that's where it is. That's free, that's free. All right. What could go wrong now? In all honesty, nothing's going wrong. Alrighty, how am I gonna get that off here? Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Let's get that spring out of there. Ooh, I can see all the paint coming right off. Get some of that paint off here. It's just coming off thick. Look at all that. Bet you that's enough. Oh my god. So much better now. How do we do this? Do 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 do. Rust and corrosion protection, fluid film grease. Look at that. Oh, and it smells just as disgusting as the spray. Just gonna fill that right up. Let's run it. That side is definitely the culprit. Well, folks, I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Pull that baby off, clean the paint, lube it up, and we'll put it back together. And then we have to grease it, check the fluid, put the bochie on, the mower deck down there. A lot of work to do.